Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to fix Instagram login problems. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Whenever you receive an error message on Instagram, like "Sorry, there was a problem with your request," this might occur due to several reasons. Some of the most notable reasons are it might be because of the weak internet connection or bad internet coverage. Another problems might be that there is a problem with Instagram servers, errors in your login data, or violation of Instagram's terms and conditions. Whatever the reason is, we'll show you how to get rid of any Instagram login issue on your phone and also access to your Instagram account without any kind of difficulties. The first thing you'll need to do is go check your internet connection. If you're using a mobile data, then try switching between Wi-Fi connection or vice versa and try logging into your account. If the issue doesn't fix, the next thing you can do is try opening your web browser and type in instagram.com in the URL box and try login to your account with the browser. Sometimes there might be a problem with the application, so in that case you can go to your web browser and log into your account, and this might solve the issue as well. If this still doesn't fix, then you can go and reset your phone. Simply tap on the restart button and try restarting your phone and go back to your Instagram and sign into your account. Another thing you can try out is go to your settings from your phone and tap it open. Scroll through the list and tap on apps, which will open the application list that is installed on your device. Search for Instagram and tap it open. Tap on storage from the users menu and tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. Select OK from the pop-up and try signing in back to your account. Those were some of the fixtures when Instagram shows up with some login issues or problems. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.